House hunting is one of the best parts of the home buying process. That's why it's so important to make the most of every open house you go to. Here are a few tips and tricks you need to know before you start house hunting. Number 1, make a plan. You can't house hunt if you don't know what you're looking for. Sit down with your realtor and create a home buying wish list. Having your needs clarified before you start house hunting will help you make the most of your time. You can prioritize the homes that actually fit your list versus the ones that don't have your must-haves. Number 2, take notes. You're going to be looking at a lot of homes throughout this process. Sooner or later, they're going to start blurring together. When you're touring each home, make sure to bring a notebook to take notes. As soon as you're done touring, spend some time writing down the pros and cons of that home so you don't forget. Number 3, be prepared. One of the most important things you can do before you house hunt is get pre-qualified. I know it may seem harmless to pop into an open just to take a look, but if you fall in love with that home and you aren't pre-qualified, you might miss out. The great news is getting pre-qualified is so much easier than you think. Click the link in the caption and get pre-qualified in less than 15 minutes for free. House hunting is really exciting, so make the most of it by creating a plan, staying organized, and having fun. Thanks so much for watching this week's video. If you're ready to get pre-qualified, again, click the link in the caption so you can take the first step. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.